Thutha wa guthukirwo wira wa kuhukia urugi na wendia wa njohi cia ibango guku bururi-ini na muno makiria gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya, munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua no athiete na mbere na guthagania micemanio na honge mwanya mwanya cia thirikari kwaririra mitaratara ya gukinyaniria mbara eno. Gikaro kia umuthi gigukuruhanitie maabitha a borithi, anene a borithi thiini wa county, atabania a mihango ya thirikari na atongoria a thitango cia muingi kuma gitaro kia Mount Kenya kiria kigumirwo na njira nene ni thina uyu.
What happened in Nyandarua after our meeting in Nyeri, a raid was done and nobody was prosecuted and the officers were very demoralized, and the suspects went home mocking the officers. Even as they were being arrested, they were mocking them, saying, "We will just come back here, we will reach home before you."
Wendia wa hareno kunyita thing'ana makiria ma rita mirioni 1.7 cia njohi kuhithukio ciuranite yumiritie niki namba ya macira maria mandikithitio magoti-ini maria marakuruhania arugi, endia na anyui a njohi mari thi muno. Makamishina a kaunti ici ithano cia Mount Kenya makionekana kuorota wabici ya thitango cia muingi ni kwaga kunyitanira.
There are police officers who take bribes to defeat this war and other wars. There are prosecutors who tell the suspects you will be taken nowhere. This matter will come before me, it will go nowhere.
We have data. We have carried data here. So musiambie tu mkubwa maneno na hiyo maneno ni ya urongo. Can we make sure when you are bringing those people that the evidence is there?
No mwene wake munene wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji ni ateteire maabitha ake na kuga wabici yake ikoretwo ikinegererio macira matari na wira mukinyaniru
in Keno, and they went and arrested somebody in a bar saying that he has operated beyond a certain time. But we are asking, fine, you have brought that one person who was in the bar. Where are the drunkards or the people who are drinking overtime?
Atongoria a thitango cia muingi ningi ni macukirwo kwaga kuhuthira watho wa mututho kuhurana na njohi na kuhotomia haro eno, Gachagua akimarutira mukana.
If any prosecutor is using that as an excuse, that is wrong as far as I'm concerned, unless I'm guided differently. That law has never been reviewed, it is in place.
Undu uyu riu uronekana gutumura wirano na wagi wa kurutithania wira gatagati ka honge ici. Munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua akimoria marutithanie wira.
Want to discourage any blame game in this room. I want us to look for a solution. A multi-agency approach on how to eradicate this problem.
Tiga ndũgamano gatagati ka honge ici igire, wagi wa honge cia gwika uthuthuria wa njohi na ndawa iria ciahithukio kana ni ikinyaniire ikiro gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya ni ugwetetwo ta muhinga munene gukirikana honge ici cire Mombasa, Nairobi na Githumo.
We don't have government chemists all over. Either we get holding charges or what we are calling custodials, but that one we have to consult and agree. We get 4-5 days custodial. We can have the person in remand for 3-4 days as we get the tests.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.